Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. So on today's video, we are not going to be reviewing a car. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how it is to be owning a luxury brand like Mercedes. So there are many people out there who think if I buy a Mercedes, it's going to be very costly for me. How am I going to maintain that car, or shall I give it outside? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what are the benefits of making the car's maintenance and service, everything at a genuine workshop. What are the perks we have, everything as such. So let's go ahead with the video. So before starting the whole process and everything, we have the CEO of Akshaya Motors, Mr. Vikas, who wants to give you a small message.
Hi everybody, I'm Vikas MJ, representing Akshaya Motors as a CEO. I welcome and introduce to Akshaya Motors service to all of you. Currently we are available in Mysore Road, Hubli and Mysore. Our new facility is coming up in Mysore Road. Why service is most important? Because there is a periodic maintenance schedule which is already fixed by the manufacturer, and we take utmost care of our customers and our service. We give our best in terms of service. Please visit us and please experience yourself. Thank you very much.
So the first thing, as I mentioned before, is the periodic maintenance or the service. So let's see how this process works.
So once you enter into the dealership, the security guys would take down the details of the vehicle, and as you go forward, the valet guys would be waiting for you readily to pick the car from you. And once that is done, you go forward into the reception. They would be greeting you, taking down your details and guiding you to the customer lounge. Over there, you can have your refreshments once the inspection bay is ready for you. The consultant would be available for you, wherein you can let him know if anything additional needs to be done on the car. And then the inspection starts.
So right now we are at the interactive bay. So this is where the car first comes in once you are inside the workshop. So what happens here is that the consultant or the advisor who's here would check the car completely. He will also be using the system over here to check for any codes or anything as such, if there is any mistakes. And over here itself, most of the approvals will be taken care of. And after that, this car will be opening its job card and it will be going inside. So the main thing why they do this here is because one thing, you get to know whatever the trouble is here in the first place. And second thing, in front of the customer's eyes, all this is sorted out.
So now when the car comes into the workshop, what happens is that first they give this protective coating for the car. So this is something thick so that when they're working on it, they don't do any scratches or anything on the car. That's the first thing. And second thing, they use the right toolbox for the working of the car so that each and everything has its own tools. You can't just take it anything from outside, not just spanners. There are many other things. So they have their own toolbox and they work on the car. All the safety precautions are maintained. For example, right now after COVID, they started putting the seat covers and the steering covers, but a brand like Mercedes used to do that even before that also. Now, after that is done, they put these protective covers and then they start working on the car. Now, the air filters, AC filters, or oil filters, the oil, everything is from Mercedes-Benz. So this is where the change comes. Here, once you use the genuine products, now everything is having a proper timeline. You have the surety that this car will run for that certain period of time, and the dealership will take responsibility if anything goes wrong. So wheel alignment is also one of the things which you have to be doing periodically on your car. So now let's say on a Mercedes-Benz, there are still many workshops outside where you can do your wheel alignment. But what is the benefit of doing here in a genuine workshop? Now over here, there are certain conditions when you do a wheel alignment. For example, let's say your car has a suspension system. You just can't do the wheel alignment normally. There are certain conditions you have to take care of. They lower the suspension completely, they put it in sport mode, and only then they do the adjustment for the wheel alignment. So outside they might not do the same thing, or some might know, but the precision is more over here. And secondly, the tools used over here. This wheel alignment ramp over here and the equipments used is completely from Mercedes-Benz. It is as per their instructions, and so this to the car would give you the exact precise adjustment of the wheel alignment. Now this place where I'm standing is a room full of just tools, and these are not just the common tools, these are the special tools. So there are certain parts in the car where it's not accessible, or it will have a different kind of a removal procedure or addition procedure, things like that. For that, these are all the tools especially for Mercedes-Benz, just for this brand alone, if you have to understand. So all these parts have a certain usage, and this is not common in all the other workshops. So you find it in a genuine workshop and it makes your life easier. So when you come over here, each and everything is available and the right work is being done for you. Right now I'm in their storeroom. So here is where all the OEM genuine parts are available. As you can see, there are racks and racks filled like this. This complete room has all the parts which is necessary for a Mercedes-Benz periodic service. And everything is from Mercedes-Benz. They also have something called as shelf life parts. So what does this mean? So these have an expiry. So once they are done, they are not going to be used. They are going to be again recycled and the other new parts come up over here. So this is completely about the parts availability in a genuine workshop. So now this is the part wherein I told you about the repairing work. So as you can see, it's heartbreaking, am I right? So when it comes like this, can you believe this can be repaired? This can be completely repaired and brought back to its former glory. So that is what we are going to see, how they do that, what is the process, what is the qualification of the technicians working on that, everything as such. When it comes to the body work, as you can notice, all the technicians are completely trained by Mercedes-Benz. So they have their qualifications to be done to do this kind of job, not any Tom, Dick and Harry can do it. It has to be done from a certified technician, and only then the work, the quality is being done. So again over here what happens is that the quality of work is very good because they are trained especially for this brand alone. And this gives you the benefit of having the proper quality product. And let it say painting or polishing, removing the dent or replacing the item, everything as such, everything is taken care of by these trained professionals. So this is the paint booth. So this is where the complete painting is being carried out for the cars, and this is completely set up for the quality work. There shouldn't be a pin drop of moisture or let's say dust so that it doesn't spoil the paint work. So as you can notice, here is where the painting is done to get the proper quality job. So right now I'm here with Mr. Sendil Kumar, who is the General Manager for Service at Akshaya Motors in Mysore Road branch. So we have few questions, so let us clarify that. So sir, for example, consider me, I'm your customer, and my friends have been telling me, some friends tell go to a genuine workshop, but some tell me don't go to a genuine workshop, just go somewhere nearby so that it is done much more cheaper and you can get your car back. So for this kind of a customer, how would you tackle it? What would you say to him?
You have a good question, and we have a great news to those customers who are all visiting to local garages. Mercedes has come up with the value services concept, which means the cars which are all little aged, I would say more than 8 years, Mercedes has fixed the price of the service, which means we call it as Mercedes-Benz value services. In that program, we'll be changing an oil filter and a courtesy wash. The 82-point checklist, it will be evaluated your vehicles. So you'll get a complete picture of your vehicle, and with a very cheaper rate, and it is very, very competitive when you compare in the local garage. So how much you are paying to local garage, the same amount, maybe lesser than that only. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, we are using the genuine parts, which will have 2 years unlimited parts warranty, and we have a support of even 3 months workmanship warranty as well. And the benefit of doing the service in dealership, I would say the breakdown support. For the next 1 year, we will come and assist you whenever the car within 50 kilometer span of distance from the dealership, you will definitely get the support.
Great, sir. And one more thing, sir. I also noticed women technicians working inside in the car. So, how is the workmanship, as you told? How are they getting trained? So, where and how is all this happening?
We wanted to give diversity in technical domain. That's the reason we are encouraging lady technician in our facility. Basically, the technicians are diploma and BE background. Who did their certified maintenance technician course in the reputed engineering colleges, and those engineering colleges he is tied up with Mercedes-Benz India for the advanced diploma mechatronics. That course is called Adam course. So they have completed those course in Pune. They have come here as a certified maintenance technician. So currently we have 2 lady technicians, and we have the plan to increase more so that we can have a equality in the system.
So there we go. We got the information from the manager himself itself. So we know why a Mercedes has to come to a genuine workshop. Now we understand what are the benefits and perks of having these genuine workshops near you. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all this information.
Thank you so much.
Really, thanks a lot. So that's it from me, guys, on how to own a Mercedes-Benz. I hope you understood what are the benefits of bringing it to a genuine workshop. I hope you liked the video, and I would really like to thank Akshay Motors to have this opportunity for me to have a complete glance of it and see the complete facility. So I would really like to thank Akshay Motors. Please do check out their workshop if you're bringing your car or even to buy a new car. So please do subscribe to the channel. It supports me in the channel's growth. I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. Until then, goodbye.